The Activision Blizzard deal is officially blocked. It's done. Microsoft is not buying Call of Duty. Now,
I wanna say I'm sorry for the things I've done, and I try and be stronger in this life I chose, but I want you to know.
Shut up, bitch!
18 months is a long time to go back and forth over one topic, but that's what happened in this gaming community. There's been ups for the Xbox fanboys and there's been downs. There's been ups for the PlayStation fanboys, and currently they're definitely down. So this ABK acquisition, oh man, it's been crazy. The FTC, of course, their appeal was denied, and Xbox pretty much can close the deal. Now, the only discussion we're hearing now is, will they close the deal next week, or will they close the deal in August? Whatever's going on with the CMA, I don't know what the hell is going on. I'm not going to act like I do, but Xbox is going to close this deal soon. Now, like I said, 18 months is a long time, and throughout this entire journey, the biggest shit talkers on the PlayStation side, I really wanted to see what their reaction was going to be after this positive news for the Xbox side and the FTC appeal was denied. Good old J-Dub. You know, after this appeal, the appeal was denied and the news came out, J-Dub, you know, he usually talks a lot of shit consistently. When the CMA blocked the deal, he was there. Throughout this entire process, he was there. But the first tweet I saw from him after the FTC appeal was denied, he had some laughing emojis responding to some guy named Adam22's wife. You know, she's doing some type of movies I'm not going to say. And a lot of people was criticizing him for letting his wife do these types of movies. So J-Dub, he didn't worry about the ABK acquisition. He wanted to laugh and comment on this topic. Isn't that funny? Now, the Red Dragon, we all know this guy really was against this acquisition. He was dead set against his acquisition. Now, he posted, skating rink was the hangout spot when I was a kid. Back at it teaching my own. Forgot how much fun it is. Also a good workout. Listen, having having fun with your family, spending time with your family is absolutely great. I do it all of the time myself, sir. But you were pretty much the number one guy in our community that was talking shit about this ABK acquisition and how how crazy, I'm sorry, not crazy, how cool of you to post some family stuff right after the FTC appeal was denied. How convenient are you, sir? Listen, like I said, it's great you're spending time with your family, but the timing seems a little funny to me. Now, Jason Schreier, you know, it's no secret that this guy is not a fan of Xbox. He said, after an 18-month saga, it's looking like by Tuesday, Activision Blizzard will be part of Microsoft. Unless Canada steps in. Now, what's the purpose of saying this shit? Everybody knows Canada has nothing. Nothing. They took too long to give their decision, so whatever they say is null and void. I thought he would know this. He's a journalist. He knows everything else. Instead of just saying, yo, after 18 months saga, it's looking like by Tuesday, the Activision Blizzard will be part of Microsoft. That's all he had to say. He could have even said, unless the CMA steps in. He said Canada? Of all countries, Canada? The country whose decision has expired. Seems like he was really reaching here. Now, good old Salt King, Saltiest Gaming, don't forget, this guy had deactivated his Twitter when Judge Corley announced her decision. But he reactivated his Twitter a couple of days later when the FTC filed an appeal. So he didn't deactivate his Twitter this time after the appeal was denied, but he has some things to say that's filled with salt. He's really living up to his name right now. He said, "They are used to catching elves. That's why this feels like a victory, but they won't feel that way when their beloved Xbox is full third party and they have zero exclusives and diluted trash content on the regular, like Redfall." Oh, they brought up Redfall again. Those guys love Redfall. Ladies and gentlemen, this tweet is filled with salt. Absolute salt. That's not all he said. He also said, Xbox celebrating the Microsoft Activision deal going through, even when it means Xbox will be full third party within 5 years. Call of Duty will be ruined like Halo and Gamepass. Won't be sustainable without major changes. It's over. Imagine saying it's over for Xbox after they just acquired Activision Blizzard for $70 billion. Imagine saying it's over for Xbox when they have 32 studios about to drop consistent content into Xbox Game Pass. These guys are down bad right now. I'm telling you guys, PlayStation guys are down bad right now. It's sad.
Look at the title, CMA blocks. Look at him smiling. What the fuck is he doing here? Not there. After what happened? You want to see the aftermath there?
Yeah, absolutely.
Shall I do it to this pony?
Go ahead,
Shall I
brother.
hurt him? Shall I break his heart? Here we
His
go, guys.
heart.
Look at this shit. What's happening here, Dad? Read the title. Read the title. For some reason, he's got a beard. He's got a beard.
Microsoft wins fight against the FTC. His facial expression is a lot different.
Hello, what's up? FTC? What you need? Block the deal. I got you. Rest in peace. We got the game. I see you. Cause we a beast. We put in work. To market lead.
Why? I want to know why.
Just won a freaking massive victory. They have now been officially approved to buy Activision Blizzard for $70 billion.
People don't like you very much, do they?
Now, the next thing I noticed about these PlayStation fanboys, now they're attacking Activision Blizzard. They're attacking Call of Duty. Like Jay Barry said, Call of Duty is dead to me once Xbox fully owns it. So all of a sudden, Call of Duty is going to drop in quality according to these PlayStation fanboys. Is going to be shit, even though the same developers will be developing the game with Microsoft resources. But all of a sudden, the game is going to be trash because Xbox owns it. This guy, Quasi, says, "This is my last Activision game purchase. Hashtag boycott ABK. Hashtag team PlayStation. Xbox won't make $1 off of me." Damn, brother. I mean, if there's a game you really want to play, you won't buy it because it's owned by Xbox? Listen, man, I understand. I do console war stuff. I understand. I participate in the console war stuff. But if there's a game I want to play, I buy the game. Even if it's owned by Sony. You guys are crazy. You guys call yourself gamers, but you guys are stupid if you ask me. This guy, Streets of Gage, says, "That's just fucking sad. COD has always been my favorite competitive multiplayer games, but I see an imminent drop in quality coming real soon." Oh, look at that. Look at that. He sees a drop coming real soon, guy. A drop in quality because it's owned by Xbox. Do you see why I loathe PlayStation fanboys? I loathe them. Good old dumbass dummy, failed pyromancer. He says, Xbox paid $70 billion to play the same games we're able to play before today and still have to keep their biggest franchise on PlayStation. Then he has the gif of Mr. Rogers putting on a clown mask. Sir, you should put on the clown mask because apparently you don't know how business works. If Xbox is putting their games on PlayStation, guess what happens? Xbox is getting money from PlayStation, you dummy. You guys lack any type of intelligence to know how a business works. Minecraft, they make tons of money off of PlayStation with Minecraft. Soon Call of Duty. Damn it, you guys are dumb. What is wrong with you? Christopher Dring, who is of course a journalist, he says, when the ABK deal concludes, I expect PlayStation to go all in with the Battlefield series, which is currently undergoing an ambitious change in strategy under Vince Zampella, Call of Duty founder. That will be good news for competition in the shooter genre. What the hell is going on? What? Okay. Since this deal is pretty much complete, since the ABK acquisition is pretty much done, this is what you PlayStation guys are going to say now. PlayStation should go after Battlefield. What? PlayStation should go after Battlefield? The same Battlefield that dropped a game that was just terrible a couple years ago? The same Battlefield that nobody really cared about? I'm not hating on Battlefield because I like the series, but these guys never mentioned Battlefield before. Now, since Xbox is about to own ABK, PlayStation, go after Battlefield. Just like them same PlayStation fanboys. PlayStation, go buy Take-Two. Go buy Capcom. Go buy Ubisoft. PlayStation ain't got it like that, man. Stop it.
So your big win is that you're going to get to save $60 or $70 every once in a while, starting in 2025 if all goes according to plan. So in 2 years, you can start playing more games without buying them. Games already in production. Games already coming to the market. I can't help but think that this is a loss for everyone, and you got duped. You got tricked into thinking that that's the real victory that matters.
Are you stupid or something?
And you know something else I love? Hypocrisy. This guy Nick says, Xbox like renting, not gaming. The Homie Gamers Initiative podcast, he said, this you capping or renting? Nick said previously, can't wait. The all-new PlayStation Plus is coming to Greece June 23rd. Sir, PlayStation Plus is renting. You're sure excited for a rental service? Hypocrisy is hilarious with these PlayStation fanboys. That generic Eric says, 69 billion wasted and you still got no games. Always last. Hashtag boycott ABK. Yeah, he tried to get this hashtag boycott ABK thing going, and he got a couple of dick faces to join him. But yeah, they're back to Xbox has no games. Even though that's a blatant lie now, they're still going to roll with that, and they're still going to say that because they have nothing else. Right? They have nothing else. Xbox still has no games. Yeah, are you sure about that? That generic Eric also said, anybody want to get the hashtag boycott ABK trending? We need to show these fucks that they won't be buying anything owned by Xbox. Like I said, he was the one that tried to get this hashtag ABK thing going, boycott ABK thing going. So Iron Wolf, he came and said, I was gonna buy Diablo 4, but now I won't. Oh, he's so mad. I still don't get, if there's a game you want to play, even if it's owned by Xbox or PlayStation or Nintendo, are you a real gamer or not, man? Like me, a guy that's pro Xbox. I wanted to play some PlayStation exclusives. So I bought me a PS5. It's sitting here dusty right now, but I bought me a PS5 because I wanted to play some PlayStation exclusives. But these guys, they hate Xbox so much. They hate it so much. They will refuse to buy a game on PlayStation because the company that made the game is owned by Xbox. Do you guys see why these guys are not real gamers? Dumbass ponies going around checking people gamer tag. But their fan base, their homies are the ones that refuse to buy a game because it's owned by Xbox. It's crazy. Hashtag boycott COD. Don't give money to Activision. Ah, man, look, I gotta go. I gotta go because these dudes are sad. It's sad, man, to be this much of a dick face that you won't play a game on your console because it's owned by Xbox. I gotta go. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you happen to stumble across my channel, you think I'm decent enough, why don't you go ahead and subscribe? And if you subscribe, please hit that notification bell to know when my black ass is doing some new content, baby. All right, everybody. Peace and love. Peace and love. Shit. Damn, man. Ooh.